Listen and read. A. Author. Cheerful. Fail. Fascinating. Rarely. Source. Strange. Whisper. B. Author. A children's author, a famous author. What English authors do you know? Chekhov is one of my favorite authors. Cheerful. A cheerful person, a cheerful smile. Stephen was such a cheerful child. The children were singing a cheerful song I hadn't heard before. Fail. To fail to do something. To fail an exam. Some people who try to lose weight fail. They have failed to find the information they wanted. Fascinating. A fascinating book. A truly fascinating country. It will be fascinating to see the final match. I find my new friend absolutely fascinating. Rarely. To do something rarely. My mother very rarely wears jeans. This music is rarely played at concerts. Source. A source of information. A source of light. A powerful source. Scientists are trying to find a new source of energy. The only light source was the bright moon in the night sky. Strange. A strange place. A strange person. What's that strange noise? The name sounds strange to me. I've never heard it before. Whisper. 1. To whisper something to somebody. That's Tim, she whispered to my ear. 2. To say something in a whisper or in whispers. The two men began talking in whispers. We heard nothing but the whisper of wind in the trees.